हेलो दोस्तों, आई एम अनिल शर्मा and it's my channel. It's Anil Ji. Okay, so in this video we will learn only PubSpec file. This one, okay, already open. So first we will learn. I have already created some folder. We'll learn how to use custom font. Suppose then we have the some different custom files .ttf file. You know that whenever we want to use custom font, then we need to .ttf file. Okay, so we can use custom file in Android like we use in material. So same here also. And second one we will learn in this video, how can we use different different resolution images. Like in Android we use different type of drawable. Suppose then uh, different sizes photo, so that different devices, Android devices, suppose that I have a one single size of image or single png image. So if I'll run that application with different uh, screen, Android screens, that time that image can be stretch, or that will not looking good, right? So that we use 5 or 6 folder in Android. So according that device we get specific image. Okay, so same in first we will increase that font here. Okay, go here and there is a font, increase it 20. Let's see, like, so now it's visible. Okay, yeah. So first we need to go in public spec file. Okay, okay, just I'll ex- here we have already used asset images. Okay, I have already make a video for asset image. Now I want to, if we, here is a, see, everything is in public spec file. Flutter has given already a description. So an image, here see here, an image asset can refer to one or more resolution specific variation. See, so how can we use more resolution specific images? See here, go here, and it will redirect to there. So I have already used this, so I don't need to read everything. You just, I'm giving this example for you. How can you read and how can you use that using Flutter hint. Flutter has given this reference. Okay, so here they say they need two more folder for a single image. Okay, there is, we have already created a asset folder. In asset we have a one image. That image we have used thumb up. Now we can use two more images with different resolution. Like here they have provided us 72 and say and 216 pixel. Okay, we can store more two photos. Okay, for that we need to create two folder with same name, 2 point and 3.0x. Okay, and we have already, I have put same resolution image now, but if you have a, you can download from different sites. So one image you need to store here and second image here, and same name, three image, right? So you can use here. Okay, same, what same I have used, you need to same image. Okay, after that we will see how can use different or custom font. So see, whenever we define a custom file, we need in Flutter material app. Okay, so in main we have already used material app while calling the API in main method. Okay, so it's a material. So first we need here, they have given a property in material app, there is a theme. In theme we can provide custom whatever font. Okay, see, whenever we want to common theme for throughout application, like whenever we create a new Flutter application, by default blue color we see and white color, right? Why it happened? Because they have by default in theme these color. We can change by using asset color, primary color. We can set like go here, there will be a color, right? And in color we can use different we can set the images and colors. Okay, so that color will be common throughout application. Same, we can set here theme, like theme, and here, see here theme data. In theme data there will be a font option, font family, and in font family we need to give a name that file, whatever file we have. So see here, in PubSpec file we need to enable that. So I have already enabled. If you don't enable, then it will be like it. Okay, so I have already enabled it. And see, whenever you enable it, you see it here. Okay, so you need to it place here, and same after that you need after two space, and this one two space, this one two space. Okay, so otherwise you will get the error while running. Okay, so here first we need to, this is fonts we need to create a one more folder here, fonts. So right click on our application, and after that you need to create a directory, fonts. I have already created here this one, fonts. And in this font you can download a ttf file and put here. So I have already downloaded three different files. There are four, but see here above are same. Okay, same family. Means font are different but family are same. See here, before dash, this before dash or hyphen, there is a family name, and after that whole file name. So we will define here wine song, right? This is a, this one, it's a family name. Okay, after that there is a font asset. In asset we will write full name, like image we write a full name. Here we use a parent, or we can use the full name also, like thumb or full name. Okay, same here, we need to write here full name of that file. So full name, I want to write that full name, then we must write these fonts, and after that forward slash and name of that ttf file. Okay, same, we can write here more property also, if we want to give them weight, or we want to give that a style, like mm, like they have given already italic. Same thing we have provide in text also, custom. Okay, so and if we want more, then we can enable here also. Same, we need to write here family, and after that we need to write here family name. So now we will use this open sense. So here we will write that family name open sense. Only this is a family name, not a full name. Full name is a asset. Okay, so after that second field, second field what is fonts. Okay, so click here and write fonts. After that same assets, so same space, just follow above, right? Asset, and click here and write full name of that file, this. So we have a two name. Okay, so we can write a two file here. So first I'll write one, fonts forward slash and open sense hyphen, we will use first one, this bold. Okay, so we'll write full name bold dot ttf. Same, we need to write second one. There is a, in open sense family there are two file. Second one is, just name change here, there is a bold italic. Okay, italic ttf. Same, we can write number of file, or if we want to here type their like style, we can write same. Just let it be here. Only this. Okay. After that, so we have seen this. After, you see, whatever we change in this file, we must need to package get. Okay. So see here, all will be successful. We will get the, just wait for, okay, we get this process benefits. So it successfully. Now we need to integrate it here. So same public spec file, we need to define here which font color is custom. Okay. So we will use from here which color we want to custom, this family color. Okay, we want to custom. So put here that. Now we can use, just run this, and what we will get, okay, we'll check, just define here two more text. So we will take here child and column. Okay, and in column there is a children. Okay, children, we will get one text. After that, text, so then Anil. Okay, now I'll write second one sharp and run this. What we will get? Okay, so its size is small. We need to it add style. Style. Okay, need here comma style and text style, and in that font size. Font size like 32. Okay, and add this here below also. Same here. Okay, done this and apply for Brilliant. So now we will run this application and we will see here what will result. So whole text is changed after applying this, and this is common for all application throughout. And now we will see, we want to some text custom font. Okay, so it's a common throughout application, common for this theme. Okay, now I want to common or separate for a specific, then we can add here also, because every text have a one field style. Okay, it's a font family. In that we can define different one, like we can define this one. Oh, sorry, we need to name from here. So we will take this family name here. Okay, copy and paste here from one. Now we will run this application and see what will change here. I think, yeah, change it. It takes some time. Okay, so first one is different font and second one is different. Okay, and throughout application is common font that we have changed already. This one, Wine Sons. Okay, and now we will check throughout application if we will create a more screens. So same screen will take same common color like blue. So I want to change my common theme for color also. So we can change by using here, there is a some property in theme data. We'll go here and see. Here there is, we will see asset, and there is a primary color dark, primary color light. If you, I say I'm from Android background, so if you are Android background, there is a three common color. One is asset. Asset is like whenever you like enter field, like edit text. So there is, you see in underline that asset color. Primary color is like action bar a bar color, and primary dark color, primary light color is a action bar. Okay, and primary dark is like see here, this above is a primary dark, and this action bar is a primary color, and all except that is asset color. So we can change according our requirement. So we can change here asset color, colors dot like I want black, and now primary color, colors dot, or here we can change whatever color we want, we can add here from here. Okay, purple, or like gray. Okay, so like we want to gray. So now run and see here, color will change. Okay, I think we will need to run here. Okay, so it change color, right? Now we see everywhere it color will change. If we will create a new activity or new dart file, then it will change automatically. So we can change here. Okay, okay. So I hope that you have understand three things here. How can we set our theme color, theme design, okay, material theme according our requirement of application, throughout application. We can use different font, and we can use assets with different uh, in different sizes, png image. If you are use vector image, then no issue. Okay, thank you.